I'm holding the Gerber Dime, model number 30-000468. This is a little pocket keychain multi-tool that is very popular. First of all, you can see that this thing is a bottle opener first and foremost. It's held in place with a keychain, so that way you can carry it real easy. So you got your bottle opener. You got some outboard tools right here. There's a nail file with a small screwdriver on it, a flathead screwdriver. Over here you have a larger flathead screwdriver. On the other side, got a pair of spring-loaded scissors. On this side, we have what's called a retail package opener. I'm sure you guys have noticed how more and more merchandise is coming in these plastic packages that are impossible to get open. This little tool right here will help simplify that task for you. And then of course you can't forget the knife blade. We've got a gently swept fine edge blade there that is razor sharp. Sorry about dropping it. And then finally, this multi-tool transforms into the spring-loaded pliers you see there that have wire cutters in the middle. Butterfly opening and fold up nice and tight. So there's a lot of functionality right here in this little package. This is the Gerber Dime, model number 30-000468.